Namaste guys, so today we'll be learning conjugations in French language. It is the day 3, it means class 3, and in this class we will be discussing only RE verbs conjugations. Why? Because I have already made videos concerning ER verbs and IR verbs. Guys, I will leave the links in the description section or in the I button. Alright, so let's start with RE verbs. So the very first thing which is common among all the verbs is your what? Is your subjects. All right, so let's suppose the verb is descendre, to descend. All right, so what you have to do is you have to just copy paste this portion, remove the RE portion, and copy paste it everywhere. Like this thing will remain same in all the subjects, for all the subjects. So what you guys will do now, just write it down like this. Now what you have to do is you have to just add an extra s, nothing, and now again, just like normal verbs, you have to add an ons in the place of nu, ez and ent. So what it will become is, it will become your conjugations for re verbs. All right, that's it. Itna hi khel hai iska. So whenever you see verbs, just a second. Okay, it is in English language. Let me just change the language. In French language. Now it's 100% correct. Now see, what you guys have to do is you need to, now you can speak anything you want to, you can convey your feelings in French language. How? Just pick the verb, any verb. For example, the verb is perdre. So what we have done here is we have removed this portion and copy pasted it everywhere. Let me just mention it like this. All right, so what will become is ss nothing, ons ez ent, and that's it. And this format will be followed by each and every verb related to re endings. All right, so that's it guys. Now I want you to practice as many verbs as you can. Let me give you some homework. Conjugate these verbs. And why I'm giving you these verbs? Because these verbs will cover all your basic feelings which are very important. For example, attendre means to wait. All right, another one is défendre means to defend. All right, vendre means to sell. All right, prétendre means to pretend. Now rendre means to return or to give back. It's the same thing. Rendre means to return. Now that's it guys. You can conjugate these verbs, and whatever your feeling is, now try to convey that. So that's it guys, that's it in the conjugation.